From ThetaTraders.com. This video I'm going to go over the 3-month results on the BuySide Zero DTE on the Trade Lab Discord, which I help manage and run. 3-month results are really good. I'll just show today first. Today we entered in at 1.75 and then I got out at 2.04. And that literally took 18 seconds. That's not typically happening. Usually it takes at least a few minutes, but it did work out well today. I did do a separate trailing stop because the market was running up really high today. And I got out on just one of the contracts at 1.8. So a slight gain on that one extra contract. If you look at the results for ATM and BuySide, started with a $10,000 account and started on May 27th. If we go all the way to today, the total was 3623, which makes it a 36.23% return in just 3 months, which is a really incredible return. If you look at the data for each day, the blue are today's trades and the red is the running total on the account size. You can see that there was very few losses. 1, 2, 3, small loss here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 total losses. This is not a loss that I took. What I ended up doing was I took half of the profit and $1,811, and I put that in my long-term investing account. Members are able to see the long-term investing trades that I do as well if you are part of a membership here. If you look at the total results in the last 2 years, combined results was 24-25, 5770. That's with a $2,000 account, and you don't scale up. That means you're taking your profits and leaving them on the side. So that's a 289% return with a max drawdown of just 16%. If you scale, meaning when the account grows, you add on more contracts, $2,000 is now $12,441. That's a 622% return. And what's interesting is it's actually a slightly lower max drawdown of just 15%. So this means that at the 15% max drawdown, it may or may not happen right away. Many times you're going to be at a decent profit when you do hit a max drawdown. But if you just follow the plan and follow the service each day, you can make really good results off just a small starting account. I'm using a $10,000 account, and I'm doing almost a modified version of the scaling. I'm going to let it scale up for 3 months. And then personally, I'm just going to take half the profits for a long-term hold. And then I'm going to use the other half to continue scaling up. Total amount of trades was 301 since January 2024. And we had 231 wins with 70 losses. That makes it a 76.7% overall win rate. Your expectancy per $2,000 in your account is $19.17. That includes the wins and the losses. Your average win has been $60. Average loss is more at $116, but we have that 76.7% win rate. So that more than offsets the losses, and that gets us the big returns that we have. Your risk to reward ratio is really close to 0.5 to 1. Right now it's actually a little higher, 0.52 to 1. If you look on the Discord, you can see where the actual alerts are. Very clear results in how you actually enter the trade. Today we took a 644 call at 1.6. Take profit at the 1.92. Stop loss at the 0.96. Tells us how many contracts to do based on your account size. So this works for small accounts or larger accounts. And then we're able to get out of the trade at the target profit. It was actually a little bit higher than target profit. Today, I just marketed out of the trade But in most cases, you just do a one cancels other order with your take profit and your stop loss. So really good results here if you are interested in joining. There are many members here that are doing really well. 100% of members in a last poll so that they are profitable in this membership. You could join the link in the description down below or in the comments. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and hope to see you guys on the Discord.